Hi, this is Marius, and in this video we will go through the very basics how to set up drafting plane for a full plan vectorization. So to start with, we will switch coloring mode to the grayscale to be focused only on point cloud geometry but not the coloring. We'll go to the top view, and instead of creating thin slice of a point cloud, we will go to coloring settings and increase transparency to 80–90%. Now you will see the all outlines very clear. And to set up the UCS, we will use View and Control System by Line tool. And to pick the right reference wall, I'm recommending to choose the longest external wall. For example, in this case, probably this wall is the longest one. So I will pick the first point and we'll select this line as a reference. Now, as you can see, my point cloud is fitting X and Y axis, but before saving this UCS, we will need to check other walls how they are fitting. So we will use line command. For example, let's draw this line, and when this point cloud is rotated, we can use F8 ortho mode to draw these lines. And go to another side of the building. Check how it's fitting. Looking nice, and now also we can check how this new orientation is fitting with inside geometry. As you can see, it's fitting perfectly. One more, please. It seems nice. Yeah. If everything nice. So just draw the reference lines. We can go to another part of the building just to draw these lines. You can just move and just adjust it here. Going to this corner, we see that everything is fitting very well. I can tell that this orientation is correct one. I will delete all these lines, and I will use rectangle tool to draw the outline of my area of interest. Once I have this outline, I will use View and Control System by Line tool again, and we'll pick this rectangle as a reference. And now we just need to save this drafting plane. The easiest way to save new UCS, just type UCS in the command line, enter. From the menu, choose a name as save, and just write the UCS name. Plan. And now here you will see your custom UCS. Now your drawing will have two UCS: wall coordinate system with the original point cloud orientation, and your custom UCS for the floor plan vectorization. By default, we are recommending to set this axis that all objects which you will vectorize should be placed on elevation 0. And now, if you have multiple drawings, multiple floors, you can save this DVG file and make copy for each floor. And once you will open this DVG file, you will find floor plan UCS, and when you have this UCS, you can use ortho mode and just follow the point cloud and vectorize the main outlines of this building. Also, when you have correct UCS, you can use not only line tool or polyline, but also you can use the rectangle tool and vectorize your own spaces very fast. So at the beginning, you need to spend some time to set up correct UCS, but later on, it will be very easy to vectorize your floor plan and keep all the lines perpendicular and parallel to each other. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.